Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AmpCoin price prediction and AmpCoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AmpCoin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Fleexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. MetaWorldPool, MetaHero, and Everdome, top metaverse projects to explode this year. There are dozens of metaverse-related crypto coins on the market, and it may be hard for new traders to figure out which ones are the real deal. This article looks at our pick of the top metaverse crypto coins: MetaWorldPool, MetaHero, and Everdome, and reasons why they are expected to explode. MetaWorldPad, MWP. MetaWorldPad aims to play a crucial role in the development and growth of metaverse businesses and projects. Launchpads have the genuine ability to bring global mass adoption of crypto. We have seen the launch of many tokens in the metaverse industry. Most of them, like baby turtles, have to find their feet, survive, and grow on their own without assistance. Sadly, most projects will disappear without a trace for many reasons, including good ones, such as a small market for their use case, as well as some entirely avoidable ones, like getting the right developers. MetaWorldPad aims to fulfill the existing gaps in the metaverse industry and provide advice and support to these projects. MetaWorldPad (MWP) tokens are available to purchase from PancakeSwap. MetaWorldPad consists of three major platforms in its ecosystem. Metaverse Launchpad. MetaWorldPad enables you to participate in the projects that will form the infrastructure and be early pioneers of the metaverse, in which your MetaWorldPad token will act as essential key. NFT and tokenization ecosystem. MetaWorldPad ecosystem will provide tools and API-based infrastructure for developers to easily create and integrate NFTs and tokenization in their video games and applications. Developers can offer a whole new world of in-game items and offer upgradable NFTs. Play to earn and staking. Simply buy a MetaBox in our shop. Once purchased, you will unlock a random NFT from our limited metaverse collection, each with its own rarity and staking multiplier. The rarer your NFTs, the better the rewards. MetaHero. MetaHero is a metascanning technology that can create ultra-high-definition personalized avatars and digital items to be used across the metaverse in various industries: medical, fashion, engineering, education, and more. Among others, this technology has been previously used to create characters for the Cyberpunk 2077 game by CD Projekt. The popularity of the MetaHero project started growing when the team developed one of the most advanced 3D scanning technologies in the market. The MetaHero technology is now being widely in the metaverse industry, where developers are using it to generate high-quality 3D avatars and other digital objects. The increasing application of the MetaHero scanning technology makes $Hero one of the fast-growing crypto coins. VR, fashion, and social media are some areas MetaHero technology is being used. MetaHero is one of the cryptocurrencies to watch, especially with the fast growth of the metaverse industry. Meta hiked its target range for the federal funds rate by 0.25 basis points and anticipates further, ongoing increases in future meetings, according to a Wednesday statement by its Federal Open Markets Committee, FOMC. The committee met over the past 2 days to discuss strategies the Fed could take to bring inflation back within its 2% target range, as the metric has stayed far above that goal for over a year, soaring past 40 years high levels. In addition to raising interest rates, the Fed will also begin shrinking its balance sheet as it plans to announce specific measures for reducing its asset holdings in the next meeting, Fed Chair Jerome Powell said in a press conference following the release of the FOMC statement. Powell explained that the committee is confident that the U.S. economy will withstand less accommodative monetary policies as it is currently very strong. However, the chairman highlighted how the current Russian-Ukrainian war can lead to even greater inflationary prices. Over the short term, we expect inflation to return to 2%. But it is likely to take longer than previously expected, Powell said. No one knows with any certainty where the economy will be 1 year or more from now. Powell explained that in his view, it isn't likely that the U.S. enters a financial depression as FOMC participants continue to foresee growth and low unemployment rates. Bitcoin spiked above $40,000 as the Federal Reserve announced it would hike interest rates and shrink its balance sheet. The peer-to-peer currency had been consolidating below that level for nearly a month with momentary spikes in the daily chart. It is unclear whether the level will hold. In addition to Bitcoin, the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 indices have also turned green to score gains above 2% at press time. While assets perceived as riskier in the minds of investors, including growth stocks and Bitcoin, tend to bleed as monetary policies tighten up, the FOMC statement came in line with expectations, shedding fears that a more hawkish set of policies could have been announced instead. So next news. Launch of crypto donation site. A big boost for Ukraine's military fighting the Russian invaders. Numerous news reports said the fundraising platform is a partnership between the country's Ministry of Digital Transformation, cryptocurrency company Everstake, and crypto exchange FTX. According to Aid for Ukraine website, the platform currently accepts digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether and Dogecoin. It outlines how donations are translated to US dollars and transmitted to Ukraine's national bank via a centralized exchange. Alexander Bornyakov, Ukraine's Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, said in a statement, "Cryptocurrencies are critical to Ukraine's military. Cryptosys have proven to be incredibly helpful in enabling the flow of funds to Ukrainian residents and soldiers, as well as in raising global awareness and interest." Target, $200 million. Almost $100 million in virtual currency has been sent to aid the people of Ukraine in recent weeks. Bornyakov added. The Ukrainian government is also accepting cryptocurrency donations, having secured around $54 million as of March 11, or approximately a quarter of the platform's $200 million objective. Fiat donations to Ukraine's central bank are also accepted in a variety of currencies. Within the same interface, anyone may now select the desired donation amount and selected cryptocurrency. Let's take a look at the near future of AMPcoin. But before diving into AMP price prediction and discussing the numbers that might bore you for no reason, let's talk about AMP's history and background on the market, and how it helps the blockchain solve its problems. Is AMP a good investment? How much will AMP cost in 2025? Or how much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected